CalPalmy 10-pack of 4x6 PETG sheet plexiglass panels 0.040 thick. Use for crafting projects, picture frames, Cricut cutting and more. Protective film that is safe for adults and children. Crystal Clear Polystyrene Plastic Sheets. This superior clear PETG resembles acrylic in clarity and multi-purpose uses. It's wonderful for craft projects, hobbies, frames and warehouse or office design needs. Please make sure to remove the green protective films on both sides of each sheet. Protect art and photographs. Slip into your 4x6 picture frames to protect treasured photos, prints and artwork. It's the perfect thickness to offer protection while still fitting perfectly between the photo and frame. Shatterproof Clear Sheets. Safe PETG panels won't shatter into shards, so it's a great product for displaying photos in a young child's room or baby's nursery. Perfect medium for the Cricut Engraving. Insert into your Cricut and let it zip away the excess, leaving you a clear cutout of your design. So great for crafting and schoolwork. Cut sharp and clean edges using a utility knife with a new blade. You'll quickly master fine cuts and markings to make your project extra special. Click the link in the description to get this product.